What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Justin Hawk Smith channel. In today's video, we're going to be going and picking up the axles from Powdercoat. I just finished up spraying a set of taillights, so I'm going to show you those right quick. These are for a 09 through 18 Dodge Ram. So I'll give you all a little bit of different content right here at the beginning, but then we're going to go pick up our axles for the 6.0 that we're rebuilding here on the YouTube channel. So I have an Instagram page called Rooster Retros where I've been selling color match headlights, taillights, third brake lights, stuff like that. My paint booth is an absolute mess right now, but these are from my boy Coy. So huge shout out to Coy for coming through and buying a full set, heads, tails, third brake light. I've still got to shoot the third brake light. I actually broke the first one that came in, so hey, everybody makes mistakes, even me. So I bought a new one. Of course, Coy's not gonna have to pay for another third brake light or anything. It already came in. I'm gonna take it apart and ship it out probably like a day or two after I ship this stuff out, which I should be shipping this stuff out this week. I'm shipping out like 3 or 4 orders this week, and I've got a lot more that I'll be painting and shipping out next week. A lot of people getting ready for Rod Run, Smoky Mountain Truck Fest. So if you're gonna be at Smoky Mountain Truck Fest, make sure to DM me or comment down below. Let me know that you're gonna be there. I'm gonna try my best to have this truck done and be at Smoky Mountain Truck Fest so I can hang out with all of you all that watch the channel. I really appreciate each and every one of you all. But anyway, huge shout out to Coy. I want to mention that I told him that I would do a video on his taillights, and I didn't actually get to do a video like unboxing them and opening them up and ripping them apart, prepping them, adhesion promoter, primer, base coat, clear coat, you know, the whole 9 yards of that. I take everything, all this plastic stuff through, all of the stages and everything that I take all the plastic stuff through. But anyway, we got all this stuff painted and it's ready to dry and assemble. So we're gonna actually go head to Brad's now and pick these up. I'm gonna throw together like a little edit, and then I will talk to y'all whenever we get back into the shop with the axles, and I'll show them to you, and we'll talk about some plans and like kind of a timeline on what all parts and stuff will be in soon. So I hope y'all enjoy this. It's just pretty much me loading them up and stuff. So yeah, see you on here in just a second. How to get Brad to stop talking. Shove a camera in his face. We're here at Single Shot Powdercoating, boys. Picking up these axles and that. I didn't know that you started painting them. Here's a new color if y'all didn't know yet. This is heavy silver with glowing yellow top coat, candy top coat over it. Shout out to Devin for bringing me to get them. All right, guys, and just like that, we're back at the shop now. Got the axles picked up. I know you can see them kind of back here. They are stupid bright. But before I show you some up closes and stuff of the axles, I want to talk to you about a video that I'm about to upload. I've still got to actually wire up the Starlight headliner, but I've done a video on how to wrap your headliner in suede. So make sure to check that out. It's going to be part 1 of the Starlight headliner install. We installed 2 500-piece Starlight kits with 2 separate boxes, and I put the 500-piece kit in first and then another 500-piece kit in. They're all just randomly assorted evenly, so I can run 2 colors at the same time. It's really, really cool. So that will be a video that you all can look forward to. That should be uploading later this week or maybe this weekend. But look at those. Also, we got some new frame plates. I am getting those fitted up. So here they are on the front. So got them in the front, and then that one that you just now seen is for the back. But anyway, I want to show you guys this right here. Got the suede headliner in. It's kind of hard to see. My camera doesn't pick up good light whenever it's dark out. But I'm still going to paint these black, and maybe Scott told me that I should smoke the lenses on those, but then the interior lights wouldn't be as bright. But the headliner is pretty bright, so maybe I won't really need those to be super bright. I'm going to leave the handles and these pillars tan. I think it kind of accents and goes good. I've still got to build the amp rack for the back. But we've got the 1,000-piece Starlight kit installed, and I think I'm just going to change those to black, these dome lights. Other than that, I'm going to be leaving everything tan inside. And we've also got our light up Ford emblem. I've got it fitted up. It fits perfect to the grill. So that's a 2015 through 2017 like XLT style light up emblem. It's Putco brand. It's right here. If you didn't see it in the other video, I'm going to be paint matching that. So everywhere that it's black will be the same color as my truck. And then that's going on the front grille. And then we also have this mess right here that Scott taught me into doing. Thanks, Scott.
You're welcome.
So we completely eliminated the one little badge that was right there. And probably going to have like 10 hours worth of body work in that. But it won't have a badge. That's cool, right? Okay, now these. Yes, they are actually brighter in person than the way that they look on camera. It's crazy. So you can see them on camera and they are pretty freaking bright. And out in the sun, you can imagine. So this color is the color that everything's going to be, obviously, because we already got the axles done. So this is heavy silver. So they powder Brad at Single Shot Powder Coating, sponsor here on the YouTube channel, powder coated this heavy silver. He threw 2 coats of heavy silver on it. And then 2 coats of glowing yellow candy. So it's a glowing yellow candy top coat. It's like a transparent top coat. So 2 coats of alien silver, 2 coats of glowing yellow. That's what everything is going to be done in. And yeah, so there are the axles. And this does have a flake in it from where it was heavy silver underneath. But if it would focus. Okay, there we go. So as you can see, guys, the flake in it is pretty flaky. So it's absolutely awesome. And Brad killed it on these axles. Like they are clean. And then I've got this one wrapped up and stuff, but you can see it's just as glossy, if not glossier, because this one is like tubes on both sides, so there's more of like a space to be glossy. And then of course the pumpkin looks just like this as well. So this is also really cool from where I smoothed all the casting marks out. Oh, let me zoom out. So this is cool too from where I smoothed all the casting marks out. So the top of this axle is smooth and looks really, really good. Back through here is smooth and looks really, really good. So it used to have like that casting mark right there. It used to be so thick and go like through there and down. I guess right there I missed a little bit, but it used to be like really, really tall right there and go all the way down from where that piece is actually casted. But yeah, so we got the wheels in as well. If you've not been following the videos, these are 26x16 JTX forged. Lotus is the spoke pattern. If you're interested in getting these wheels, hit up Chris JTX. JTX Forge will get you taken care of. Got these from Bad Habits Automotive, Dallas Buckley, DBA Lighting, another sponsor here on the channel, which is why this thing's going to look like a spaceship that glows yellow-green color underneath. It's going to be absolutely crazy. But I'm not going to talk you to death, bore you to death. We got the axles in. The lift kit from our other sponsor on the channel, PMF Suspension, with full King lift coming in from PMF, with King coilovers, King shocks, stabilizer shocks, everything. It's going to look absolutely crazy together. So that is shipped out, freight, on a pallet, headed my way. And as soon as that comes in, my sandblaster and my powder coater is ready for it. So as soon as we get that in, we'll get that off to sandblast, then get that off to Brad at powder coat, and He should take care of it. I'm hoping to be at Smoky Mountain Truck Fest, guys. I'm trying my best. I'm hoping that I'm going to be there. My son's supposed to be born. Due date is April 16th. But I think that he's going to come early. And of course, Smoky Mountain Truck Fest is April 8th. So like with my luck, he's probably going to come like that day or like the day before. And then I'll be busy doing family stuff that weekend. And I don't know if the truck's going to be done anyway, because we still have to pull the bed, smooth the whole frame, paint the whole frame, paint the whole bottom of the bed. I've still got to build an amp rack. I've got a lot of stuff that we're going to do, which will be more content for you guys to watch. So if I don't get to make it Smoky Mountain Truck Fest, I want to say 100% I'll be at Music City Showdown. I guess I should say like 99%, because you never know what happens, but that's another month. It's going to be close, guys. If I can make it Smoky Mountain Truck Fest, it's going to be this close. But I'm not going to half-ass my truck this time. Last time I built it on the 20-inch lift, there was a lot of stuff that I just rushed through and half-assed and didn't do properly, or how I would, like if it was a customer's truck, you know, I was like, oh, it's just my truck, who cares? But like, I want my truck to be absolutely perfect, because like on a customer's vehicle, I always try to make everything perfect and like overkill and everything. And it kind of like showcases my work with my truck. So like, I want to be better. So this truck is going to be a lot cleaner and a lot better of a build to kind of showcase what all I can do, and you know, teach you guys along the way here on the YouTube channel. That's kind of what this is all about. So anyway, if you want some awesome content, get ready for it. The Suede Headliner Starlight video is coming very, very soon. We've got the frame plate from JP Fab, the frame plate kit for front and rear. That'll be another video. Then we've got installing like the gears and everything, and rebuilding the axles, like reassembling them. We've already done the videos disassembling them. And then we'll be doing the full PMF lift kit install, showing you the coilovers, everything. So make sure you get on there, hit that subscribe button, drop me a thumbs up. I hope you all enjoyed the video and you all are excited as I am for this build. Always remember, everybody starts out as nobody. First link in the description, and pick up some merch, support the channel. I've got stickers and some t-shirts left. I appreciate each and every one of you. Also, thanks again for 12K. We finally hit 12K subscribers. So let's go. We're trying to hit like 20, 30, 50K this year. Something. We're just going. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.